Hi everyone, it's Nina, your Central Jersey realtor, and I have a story for you today. It has a happy ending. But before we get started, please click that subscribe button, but also click that notification bell so that you know when I am going to drop the next video. So, my clients located me via Instagram, and it's always nice to get someone who likes the content that you provide. So we located this home. It needed some work, but my clients were up for the task. It had hardwood floors throughout, just what they were looking for, and we were preparing to have our home inspections. But then this happened. The house burned. How it happened, we have no idea, but as you can see, it was pretty intense. There was no way my clients would be able to purchase this property. And there's no way that they could have afforded to even begin the repairs. But I had an idea. Find them another house. And I did. 68 Westervelt, in the heart of Edison. My clients are overjoyed. Minimal work to be done, but it was just what they wanted. A beautiful Cape Cod style house with a full basement, more room than they could ever imagine, and at a price point that they absolutely loved. Again, minimal work to be done, and they can move right in. I am so happy when a plan comes together. So if you run into issues wherein you don't think it can get done, give me a call. I can make it happen. I can turn your dreams into an address. As you can see, my clients are very happy. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell. Take care.